Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the last video, we have seen how we can navigate from one screen to another. Like I click on this login button. If username password is okay, then we go to the welcome screen. Click on back button, just we come back. If I click on register button, then we go to the register activity that we learn. But we just found one problem there, that how to pass the value or username from this login screen to this welcome screen. Means how we can display here welcome to the username which we have login. For that, what we have to do, first of all, I just make it capital name Vipin, and I can say Dr. Vipin like this. And one thing I do here, and I go to I save this first of all, and here in the navigate function, what I have to do, I have to create a comma and I have to create an object like this, and I say name, and I will pass the value of this name as a username like this. So this name would be as a username, that username would be like this, whatever we will enter. So this username we will pass here, the value of this. I save this. Now I open the welcome screen. This welcome screen is also have the props, remember. So from this props, I need to destructure the things, like I say const. So I get the first object is called navigation, and I say route. Two objects I will get, and that would be from the props, remember. So here I do not require this navigation, so directly I can have a route also. So I can remove navigation because I do not require navigation right now. Now routes we have. Under this I need to say welcome to the user, that would be the route.perm name, we can say like this. So I just pass here Dr. Vipin Kumar, login this, we go there, you see welcome to Dr. Vipin. So we have this, so we have a route here. Under this props we just destructure this route.perms.name, and name is the parameter which name is the object which we pass from here. Username is the value that is coming here. Now we can put it to the center also. For that we can create styles. We can set styles dot create, or like that way we can design here. I say the user, and I say the font size 230. I say font weight to bold. Then I say justify content to the center. Save this, and I put here style equal to styles dot username. Save this, you see text alignment to the center, you see. And I say one more thing here, in place of this I say text alignment vertically also center, you see welcome to Dr. Vipin is coming here. So we go there, I click here, we have sent the data also. So if you want to send data from one particular screen to another screen, then we have to give with the navigate button here. We have navigate. With this we have to just give one more comma and one parameter as an object we have to pass. If I want to pass to send register also, suppose that in registration we do not have any name, but some information you want to send to this also, so you can also send the similar way, just comma, and I say here that info, the parameter, and I say register first before login, like this. If information I want to send like this, so I go there. Once again here I need to get props. From this props I destructure, I say const, then I say here route like this, and I can take directly also information, like I say info, So I can say props dot route dot prum, like this. Directly we can get from the props. Now I can display this information here, save this, and I click on register button, and you will see that register first before login. So this information directly we can destructure like this also, and this is registration. So same I can have this style, copy, and we have styles here. So I paste this, and I say here in place of username I say info, and here I say style equal to styles.info, and it will go to the center of this like this. So you see, like this way you can pass the information or the value from one screen to another screen using React navigation library. You see, I think you learn here in this video how to pass the information or data from one screen to another screen, as I given you here demo that we are passing a username. Here we are passing the information to the register or welcome screen, and here in welcome screen we are reading it by destructuring the property. Here in register also we are just destructuring in a different way, and we are displaying the information. That means this way we can exchange the information from one screen or one activity to another. That's all in this video. I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.